Ashikiriki, riki pompo, ayagaragaranga yogo yogo yogo. Asupempelim pelim pelim pepe pepe. Peperi pei, peperi pei, peperi pei, pepe ma pei, peperi pei, peperi pei, peperi pei, pepe ma pei. Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuombe. Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuombe. Mama ke kuombe, mama ke kuombe.
Agent.
Ashikiriki, pompo.
Yes, we have to go up.
Ayagaragaranga yogo yogo yogo. Asupempelim pelim pelim pepe pepe. Peperi pei, peperi pei.
Agent, this is the land now. From that end
From there.
to that palm tree.
Yes.
Then I'll show you the back later.
Yes, from that point that we, then this is the boundary. Down. To the other.
Then the other side, I'll show you that side too.
Here like this. So the other side, we go follow the other one. Madam, he is actually very much interested in the land. But there is a little issue now. That 1.5 million naira, we will not be able to pay it.
What are you talking about?
Let's give you 1 million naira.
No. Why are you talking like this as if you don't know the value of this land? I'm only selling this land because I need money urgently. Otherwise, no now. It will not work.
Madam, he has just told you what I can offer. See, I'm a busy type. If you don't want to sell, tell us and stop wasting my time.
Will you shut up? Who is wasting your time? Who are you to talk to Arukakwa about time wasting? Do you think you're doing me a favor? If you don't know what to say, just shut up your mouth and stop insulting people.
Madam, I will not have you insult me. Why will you insult me? Do you know who I am?
Who are you? Who are you, if I may ask? Is it not you? Or do you have another part of you in the house? I have seen you finish now. What is left? Nonsense. If you think you can come here to talk rubbish, in fact, I'm not selling again.
Please, madam, it has not gotten to that. Because
Why is he talking as if he doesn't have money? If he doesn't have, let him go. There are people who want to buy this place.
it has not gotten to that. You see, he is very much interested in the land. He is the man who wants to buy the land, and I'm very much sure that he is interested.
And so if he won't buy the land, is he the president? Okay, even if he's the president, I'm not selling again. I said I'm not selling again. You people should go.
Please, we are very sorry. Because, in fact, see, to tell you how sorry we are, let us add 200,000 naira to the 1 million naira. Because, so that it will be 1.2 million naira. 1.5 is very difficult. You know the situation of things now. Because
Agent, it's because of you.
I trust him.
You know you're my very good agent. It's because of you. If I don't understand this kind of man you brought this time, if he doesn't have money, let him go and sit down. People that have money will come and buy. Okay, do you have the 1.2 million? Yeah.
Madam, nobody carries such amount of money in this cashless period. If you have agreed, let me just send the account number. Let me transfer the money.
Young Wakam, do you know who you are talking to? See, I am one woman millionaire that does not deal with any bank. It's either cash or you go. If you don't have the cash, then no deal.
Please.
What is this now?
Please come.
Agent.
Let's go to the bank. Yes.
Madam, because, please, can we give us some time? Let us go to the bank and get the money for you. Mama, please.
As if I'm begging him to buy my land.
We'll go to the bank now and bring it for you. Oh, please.
Let's
go.
You have to be fast, oh. Be fast about it. If you don't come fast, if another person comes, I'll sell it out, oh.
No.
Because another person will just come with bigger money now, I'll take it.
No.
Okay.
the food.
Is there any food that you cook that I don't enjoy? I love it. You remain the best cook I've ever seen.
Thank you very much. Oh! Well, let me start going home.
Why? I thought you would sleep here tonight.
No, not tonight. I have things to do. I have to go.
Ocheze, please, before you go, let me clear some more grass.
Oh.
Bikono.
Please.
Oh. You know my cutlass is still very sharp.
You know I don't know how to resist you, but you have to be very fast though. Very fast, don't delay.
I will try.
Don't delay, please, I have to go.
Village.
Welcome.
The envy of all the young men and women in our village. Please, Bikokwa, Ayoka, I'm begging. I want to be like you two when I grow up.
Enough, Uchenna. How are you?
Hey, I'm fine, as you can see. I was actually waiting for you at the push-up. Oh. I didn't see you. So I decided to come and check why you locked yourself inside. Ifugo. Only to come here and see why you locked yourself inside. But all the same, it's good. Nkiru, what's locking yourself inside for 7 days, even 1 month?
Uchenna, you should try being a comedian, you know.
Nkiru, this is not comedy. This is not a matter of comedy. I always pray to God that God will give my friend Obioya money so that he can come and pay for your bride price and you will call his forever.
Amen.
Hey, it's okay. Amen. It's okay. Uchenna, let me see her off. I'm coming. Wait for me.
No, Allah. Go and see her off.
Uchenna, bye-bye.
I will be here waiting.
Okay.
You see? Obia, don't branch inside bush and do one for the road, though. Because I know you two, now I know good. Because you two, I don't trust you people, oh. See them. They are Allah. The mind that they praise you now. See you. Obiora, you are friending a witch and you are happy. You are rejoicing. You don't know what you are doing to yourself, oh. You don't know. Anyway, nothing concern me. That's your business. Hi! I talk am. Asna. Well, I know you people will surprise me today. This 1 million, Uchenna millionaire. Uchenna mele. My 1 million loading.
Hey. I'll go with you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Please, manage our seat.
Thank you. Where's your wife?
She went out with your wife, oh.
Ah,
But they will soon be back.
okay.
They will soon be back.
Okay. I came to know how people are preparing for the D-Day.
No problem. We are doing our best.
Because I want canopy everywhere. Yes, invite so many people and there'll be food everywhere.
Okay.
I don't want anybody to be hungry at all.
My in-law, that will cost us a lot of money. Oh.
My in-law, have you forgotten? I have always told you that money is not the problem.
I trust you. I trust you. Hi, it's a bad draw.
So, how much are we talking about here?
Let's say, I can manage 60,000. I can economize 60,000. But if you give me 100, it will be okay.
60,000.
60,000 or 100,000. I don't know. Anyone that is okay for
Which
me.
one is 60,000 or 100,000 naira?
That's 60 for management, but 100, that will make it more.
How many people are you inviting?
We have invited.
Please. How can you ask me to bring? I'll give you money, but not that kind of money. Who are you cooking the food for? No, now. That is too much. How many people did you invite? After how much did they use to feed 5,000 men in the Bible?
Hey.
You're talking about 60,000 here. Anyway, I'll give you money, but not 60,000. Yes. Take now. You don't want again?
No, I want 2,000.
Use it and feed the people that will come.
My in-law, what can 2,000 buy? This money cannot even buy rice, not to talk of meat or even the drinks.
Don't you have rice in the house? Let your wife cook concoction rice. Win the war rice. You don't need meat. Even if you use egg, you can cut one egg into 4 places. And the people that come in should also bring their own water to drink.
Oh, can't see, Jay. Hey!
Okay.
But my in-law, somebody that wants to marry, at least you spend money. I'm not saying you spend so much money, but you can spend money.
Is this not money?
It's money.
You that they are coming to your house, how much are you spending? Am I the only one that is spending?
But if you can...
Okay. I'm not marrying you again. Give me back my money.
Please don't be angry.
Or just go in there, get me the money you and your brother borrowed from my husband, my late husband. Give me back my money. I'm not marrying you again.
Oh.
Give me now.
Biko, please. No problem.
I said give me my money.
It will be enough. The 2,000, I will manage. I will use
I'm not marrying again. I'm not doing it again.
Biko, my in-law.
I'm not marrying again.
I will manage the 2,000.
Don't manage for me.
Rice, canopy, meat, drink. I will provide. Please marry. No, come on. She's already your wife. She's your wife already. Hello. It's enough. It's enough.
Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Mama ke kuambe, mama ke kuambe. Ashikiriki, diki pompo, ashikiriki, diki pompo, ayakarakaranga, yoko, yoko, yoko. As when beling, 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 beling,
Arukakwa, how could you sell my brother's property without telling me? How could you?
Shut up your mouth. Who are you? Who are you that I should take permission from you before I sell my husband's property that he left for me?
Who told you left it for you? Who told you left it for you? Look, tradition demands that I am the rightful owner of all my brother's properties as the younger brother, and you don't have a child.
Says who? Look at you that has a child. We have seen you. Is there anything remaining? Finish. You have, and you call yourself a man. Hunger, that's what brought you here. Because you just said that I want to sell property. I will sell anything I like for my husband. Did I touch your property?
Arukakwa.
Shame on you.
Arukakwa. That I'm quiet does not mean I don't know what to do. I will change it for you.
Change what?
And you will not like it.
You can't do anything.
And you will not like it.
You are the one that will not like it.
I tell you, you will not like it if I change it for you.
I will deal with you. If you try any nonsense, I will deal with you. Try and see. That I don't have a child means I'm a man.
Which kind of man? Which kind of man?
Which kind of man are you? One woman that is greater than many men.
Hey!
Come and fight me. Arrow, give me. Your juju cannot touch me.
Look.
See, Naija, you cannot touch me.
Let me tell you now.
Tell me what?
Let me warn you. Eh? Let me warn you.
Bring your hand down.
Let me warn you.
Bring your hand down.
Let me warn you.
Let
me warn you. Look, I'm warning you now.
Hold this in.
I'm
touch
warning
me.
Yes.
Touch me. Hey, touch me.
No, it's okay, Papa, wait.
Oh, let me tell you that I'm a man.
Please, okay.
I'm a man, yes. Come.
Papa, wait.
Arukakwa, what you are telling me to do, I mean, is very hard and difficult.
It is not impossible. Nothing is impossible. It is difficult, but it is not against tradition. All I want is to marry a girl that will give birth to a child that will take over from my husband. Pikun.
But you know very well that it is against Christian faith which you represent. More so, you are a Christian mother.
Are you not a Christian father? Are you not a Christian father? What can you do what I asked you to do? After all, you need this money. It's not like you have a choice. Just do it. Because I know you need the money to take care of your family. Don't you want to take care of your family?
I know. I want
then
to,
take this. Shut up. Take this money and do what I asked you to do. Take. I know you have not touched this kind of money in a long time. Just take. Go and take care of your okay, take. Take care of your family. Or I will reveal your secret with Mazio Konta's wife. Now, do you think I don't know? Is it because I'm keeping quiet?
No problem.
I will go to your house and take care of your family. Remember the date I gave you. Don't fail.
Papa, hey, Papa, why are you just telling us this thing now? Why are you just telling us this thing now? Papa, why now? Why now? Why are you just telling us this thing now? Papa, you should have told me this thing a long time ago. I would have gone to show that woman very, very hot.
Look, I am enough for that Arukakwa. Huh? I was here when my brother married her. Huh?
See, Papa, you have to find a way to take all that lands from her. You must find a way to collect all that lands from her. She cannot be barren and have properties in this compound now.
I have a plan which I'm strategically mapping out. I will eventually get her where she belongs.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. We are now in love.
Oh,
Shortly, I'll start taking trade too. I have not become a man now.
Yes. My in-law. What are we waiting for? I will let us drink. Nnadi, come. Yes. No.
What about opener? They didn't bring. They didn't bring opener.
Nnadi.
Dada, I've been waiting for you since. What kept you so long?
I'm sorry, my son. The customary bride price ceremony took us longer than we expected, so I couldn't come yesterday.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So what is the reason you said you will come and see me?
Well, it is no news that I married a young girl that will give birth to sons that will inherit my late husband's property.
Yes. So what business of mine is that?
How do you mean, what business of yours is that? I am a woman and I cannot get her pregnant. Is it possible for a woman to sleep with another woman to get her pregnant? So, you are owing me 85,000 naira. The money you borrowed from me when your late father was sick. So, as you cannot pay in cash, you can pay in kind.
What do you mean by that?
What I mean is that you will have to impregnate my wife anytime she returns to my house.
Is Olo small Oloma we are talking about here?
Yeah, fresh and tight. Tighter than most young girls that you are mingling with in this village. Spare me that pretentious look. See, I am Arukakwa, the only woman that knows everything that is happening in this village.
Okay, I have heard you. I will think about it.
There's nothing to think about. The only option is either you do it or you give me back my money, 250,000 naira. And I know that your late loafer of a father did not leave anything for you. So there's something to think about. So you must do it.
What kind of abominable deed of yours am I hearing in the market?
What did you hear?
That you went to marry Akuna's daughter. What kind of tradition is that? Huh?
Wait a minute. Are you not an elder in this community?
Of course I am an elder in this community.
And an elder in this community does not know that a woman who does not have a child for the husband can marry another wife for the husband so that the person can bear an heir that will keep his posterity.
That kind of tradition has never worked in our kindred.
Sensu!
It will never work.
Who told you that?
I'm telling you that.
I'm telling you that. Lying.
I'm telling you that.
You cannot stop
that
me.
Girl queen will not enter into this family.
You are lying. Look at you. Why you Bioma? You cannot stop me. I have already married this girl. And she will come and give me an heir that will inherit my husband's property. Not people like you. Wicked people.
Stop pointing your finger on my face.
You cannot do anything. I will point it. I will point it.
Look. I've made my point clear. That girl will not enter into this family.
Shame on you.
I'm telling you.
It's a lie.
I'm telling you.
You have failed. You see, you have failed. Already she's married. She will soon come into this compound. And then she will live and bear children for me. You can't stop me. Wicked man. It's because of you people like you, that they gave women authority to go and marry for their husbands.
Abachosa Agoma.
How many miles say
I've made my point.
You have no points.
That girl will not enter into this family.
Let me tell you. I don't want to ever see you near that girl. You know you are good. You're already thinking one day, a man like you.
Naya, Kangwage, Abachosa Agoma.
Shame on you.
Your warning will just come back on your head.
It is already on your head.
Your warning will come back on your head.
Carry it and go.
I tell you that will not work in this family.
It is on your head.
It will not work in this kindred. I've made my point.
You cannot stop me. Can't you see? I have won the battle. The girl is coming in to start giving me children. Shame on you. Wow, lawyer. Your voice is even broken. You can't even touch a woman. Let me see you near my wife. You see what I will do to you? Wow, lawyer. Idiot. Shameless man. Nonsense. Idiot. That's why I didn't tell you when I went to do it. Because you will spoil everything for me. Your throat is in my husband's property. But you lie. You can't get it. I have my plans laid out and it's working out. One lawyer.
Stop what you're saying.
Please. Enough, I don't want to choke.
I'm only saying the truth and they are here laughing. Honestly, I want to thank you very much. Because I can't remember the last time myself and Dubia had this kind of treat.
Don't insult me. Don't insult me. Unless I'll change it for you, Uchena. Just drink your drink.
Am I lying? Okay, you are forming because she's here. You are forming because she's here. See, let me tell you, Nkiru. If we remove you from this young man's life, he will be reduced to nothing. I'm telling you. See my...
Obi, don't mind him. See, I'm doing all these things for you because I want you to be happy. You know I love you.
Oh, love.
So don't mind Uchenna, stop.
Love. Honestly, I used to pray every day for God to give me a kind of person like you. Child, God, when? When will my own time reach? When?
What's wrong with this cow? Who is deceiving you that your time will reach?
Me? My time will reach now.
Your time has passed. Okay, now your time has passed.
Don't go there.
It's okay. We're here to enjoy ourselves. So keep drinking. Uchenna, if you want more, just tell me. I'll order more for you. Just keep drinking.
You can't go all the highest. Where's this girl? Give me more.
Hey, don't order more than yourself. Don't order more than yourself.
Are you the one ordering?
Don't mind him. Drink. Order. Leave him to drink.
Get over there. See my guys.
In-law, like I promised, I've brought her, your wife. Please, take good care of her.
No problem, Akuna. I have promised to take good care of her.
Thank you. Oluwama, this is your husband's house. Be a good girl. Always respect and listen to your husband. Do you hear me? Oh yeah, sit close to your husband. Sit. Yeah, move closer to your husband. My in-law, I'll be on my way.
It's okay.
Sinike.
Oh, not the more. Stop crying now. Eh? Wipe your tears, okay? I have promised to take good care of you. I won't let anything hurt you. Oh? You see? This is your new home now. This is better than your poor hut.
I don't want to be here. I want to go back to my poor home. I'm better and happier in my poor home than luxurious isolation.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up! Who told you that you have any choice? You silly girl. This is your new home, and I am your husband. So you must learn to obey me. Now get inside there before I cut off your... Get inside.
I don't want to be here.
Come on, get out. Stupid girl. Nonsense. See somebody that I'm giving sugar, and she says she wants to eat bitter cola. Well, life is an experience, and everyone has his or her own. This is yours. I had mine. Nonsense.
Come out here. Come
Who is the god that is bleeding? Who is the god that is bleeding in this compound? Bah, bah, bah.
So you still went ahead to bring that girl into this compound against my orders? You disobeyed me. You disobeyed me.
Onwuzike, we are a fool. A gigantic fool. Who told you that you have the authority to come into this compound and be screaming like a goat? What is the matter with you?
I am now the diop of this family after my brother's death. And I say everything that has to be done. I and only I have the right to say what is done in this family.
Hey!
You get it?
My chi has exposed you. Did you see it? My chi has exposed you. Okay. You killed my husband and made me barren.
What?
So you can acquire my husband's property. Hey!
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
You just said it with your mouth now. Did you not say it? That you killed my husband so you can become the diokpa. But I have smarted you. Hey! I can backfire. I have smarted you. Eh? And I have gone to marry the girl, a girl that will give birth to a son that will inherit my husband's property instead of you. Wicked man. You see it? My chi has exposed you. So you can go and hit your head on the wall. Guys on the wall, man. Hey! I have asthma.
Take your time.
Take your time too.
Take your time.
Get out. Stop
I said take your time.
Take your time in this family. Stop shouting. Stop shouting. Stop talking.
Take your time in this family.
Get out of this place.
Don't push me.
Let me tell you.
Take your time in this family.
You are just shouting for nothing. I want to go to your house.
Take your time.
Come on, go to your house. You man, woman. Who can be? Shame on you. Nonsense. You see? Agwa one. Agwa kambo. Lema aruka akwa. Ima hebu na aruka akwa. Aruka akwa oyi. Amu abudi mmadu. Akwa be ekpuchi. Anu ohia. Isili ike male medigongi. Gabo onye nkusa. Gabo onye nkusa. Gabo onye nkusa. My wife. My sweetheart. You don't look happy. Don't you like them?
It's beautiful.
Then say thank you.
Thank you.
Are you mad? Can't you say thank you, my husband?
Thank you, my husband.
When last did your father buy new clothes for you? Your poor father. Eh? See, you should learn to show gratitude. Go and test them. I'll still turn some of them into 2 wrappers for you. Huh? Like for Madame. How can she not learn to say thank you? Thank you, my husband. I am the Oga. You are the wife. Wow, Toka. Where am I now?
I don't like the way people are looking at us.
Why are you bothered about them? Huh? People are meant to talk. If they look at you, look back at them. Let's go.
Hey. Abomination.
Husband and wife, abomination. Ah.
They're looking at me because of the dress I'm wearing.
What's wrong with your dress now?
It's for old women, not for young girl like me.
So, in your mind now, you think you're still a small girl. You are now a married woman. So you better start getting it down into your head. Move, move. I said move.
I want to go back home.
Oh yeah, Babella, one, Babella, one.
So, as I was saying, we all need to contribute to a forthcoming meeting for admission. So, I hope you all know about that. Yes.
Did my mama know? Sit down.
Women, you all the count. Let's take it out. And the focus, please. Please.
My president, we cannot continue this meeting when we have this little girl in our mix wearing our uniform.
Point of correction. She is not a little girl. She's my wife. Yes. Yes.
What do you mean she's your wife?
She's my wife. So, I wanted to introduce her officially to you people. But since you have started asking questions, you know now my condition. I had to marry her so that she can bear children. In fact, a son. They took over from my husband. That's why I married her. So she's not just a girl. She's my wife. And her name is Oloma. And you know, CWO is an umbrella that envelopes all the women. So that's why I brought her to register her. So she will belong to where other women are, because me, I'll soon transfer to the men's meeting.
Did you just listen to the nonsense that is coming out from your mouth? When will you stop misbehaving?
You are the stupid woman. Useless woman. Hey. Nonsense coming from her mouth. Your mouth, your smelly mouth should just be shut for you. Sit down and don't talk. Who are you? When did you start banding words with me? Aruka Akwa. Even the president cannot talk to me like that.
No, Aruka Akwa. Mind your utterances. This is a meeting.
Meeting? You were there when she was lashing it out on me. What did you say? You kept quiet. Now I have spoken and you want to jump up. I still remember when you came to my house begging me to support you to become the president.
Enough of that, Aruka.
Enough of what?
Sit down. Sit down now, Aruka Akwa.
I will sit down. Why won't I sit? Am I not the owner of this seat? I will sit down.
We are members of this organization. I cannot sit down here and watch Aruka Akwa insult us all. Yes. It's either she leaves or we leave for her.
Leave for what? What should I leave?
It's too much.
Hey! Has it come to that?
But Aruka Akwa, you don't need to be told that if you're not wedded in Roman Catholic Church, that you're not supposed to join our meeting.
Am I not wedded? I'm a Mrs. Hey, she has taken over from me. My wedding has gone to her. Now, since I couldn't have children, is it because you all have children? Do you know how I feel? Do you know what I'm going through?
Aruka Akwa, The procedure of you getting married to this small girl, you know that is against our Christian faith.
Hey, Wuchima! Yes. So which one is your problem now? Your problem isn't that she's a small girl or that I married her.
And it's also against the Catholic doctrine.
Are you the owner from a Catholic? Onkegi?
Hey.
Does it belong to you?
My president. Arukakwa, what is all this?
Please, my fellow women, Arukakwa here has to be suspended.
Are we all leave? Yes. Are we all leave?
Yes.
Yes. Are we all leave?
Okay. Give me one of your sons. Give me one of your sons. Give me one of your sons.
Down. Thank you. Well, hold on. Take all. Eat.
Mama.
What is it? What are you doing here?
Papa, I don't want to go back there again. No. I want to stay here.
You want to stay here? That is impossible. You have to stay in your husband's house and endure whatsoever you see there.
Mama.
Do you hear me?
Mama, you need to see the way she display martially. You should fight with everybody that comes our way. I don't want to be there again.
It's okay, my daughter. I know what you are going through. Oh, I know. But on the other hand, you should be happy that you got married early.
No.
Yes.
Mama, no.
You are young and beautiful. You should be thankful to me that I allowed you to get married at this age.
Mama, please.
Don't you know, do you want to get old and worn out before you get married? Is that why you want to get married?
It's okay. Go inside. I'll be with you.
I say it. Go inside where? You should advise her to go to her matrimonial home. That is where she belongs. You are telling her to go inside where? Let her go back to
Papa.
My husband. What kind of awkward situation is this?
Awkward situation.
Getting married to a woman old enough to be her grandmother.
But to that woman, is she not wearing a CWO uniform now? Is she not a member of CWO? What do you mean? That is the situation facing us. She should accept it and endure it. Don't tell me that rubbish. Don't say that again. Go back to your husband's house. If I come back here and you are still here, okay. Tell her to listen.
Mama, I don't want to go.
Hey, young man. Hey, come on here. Come. Why are you hiding?
Me? Hiding? No, I was just chasing one bushmeat like that inside and it.
If you like, chase antelope. All I'm saying is that bear it in mind that there's no how you can escape from me in this village. No. You cannot hide from me anywhere in this village. I want to see you in my house first thing tomorrow morning.
What for?
I want you to start getting acquainted with my wife. I need my child. In fact, my son before the end of this year.
Why me? Am I the only young man in this village? Aruka, am I the only young man in this?
Shut up your mouth! Why has 2 arms and 1 tail? Let me look for you tomorrow morning and not find you. You see what I'll do to you. Tomorrow morning.
Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe.
Oh, Zulike! Come out here, you vegetable. Where's my wife? Eh? Oh, Zulika. Are you all dead in this house?
Come.
Where's my wife?
You are not ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Imagine a woman asking for her wife.
That's none of your business. All I'm saying is, if you are hiding my wife inside that house, bring her out. Where is she?
This woman, mind the way you talk to my father. Okay,
where is the father? Where is your father? This one. Hey, if this were to be my father, I would have killed myself long time ago. This one can't be my father.
And very soon, you will kill yourself. Now, get out of my father's house. Get out!
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Yeah. Are you not ashamed of yourself? How old are you? Very soon you enter menopause. Eh? You should be in your husband's house. When your father says, you should be in your husband's house. I am in my own husband's house. So you have no mouth to talk here. So shut your dirty mouth up. And then
I have suffered.
What
Papa, I have suffered. Look at this she-male talking. Look at she talking. Dear Papa, I don't even know why you have not told this woman out of this compound.
No, he cannot. He's a vegetable.
Can't you get it?
Nkiru is enough.
Papa, happen, man. Leave me alone. Let me. Come, let me tell you. Let me fight with this woman.
Come now, let me tell you.
Go inside, I say. Go inside.
Papa, look at this Ozokwor. Eh? Men have wasted you before you. Look who will marry you.
Go inside, I say.
What are you waiting for? Papa, let me tear you like I'll tear you to pieces now.
Go inside.
It's
okay.
I am married and in my husband's house. Whether I have children or not, you are in your father's house. All the men in this village, they know you. Ozokwor. Nonsense. They are welcome. I don't even know why I did not throw you people out of my husband's house. Yeah? Otherwise, you won't have the effrontery to challenge me here. Anyway, where's my wife, Oloma? Go and bring her out. Oh. I don't want you to impregnate her for me. I don't want her to give birth to somebody like you.
Let me tell you something. Me and my family will not have anything to do with you or your so-called accursed wife. So go now. Leave this place now. Go!
Go! Don't stress yourself. I will go, but I'll come back. He who fights and runs away lives to fight again. I'll come back in a big way. And this time it will be fire for fire, idiot. Let me look for my wife and find out that she's here. Tell you more now. Tell you jelly now. Oloma! Oloma! Okay.
Okay. Nee, I'm your champion.
Says who?
Me!
Where is just starting?
After all the incantation.
No. Good afternoon, my in-law. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Where did you pick her from?
I guess she ran away, so I decided to bring her back to you.
Young girls of nowadays. When they get married, they will always run back home. I did it. I'm sure you did it too.
I did though. I ran away initially, but with time, I just got used to my husband and started loving him.
Don't worry, you soon get used to the environment. Oh?
She will. You will get used to stuff.
Thank you for bringing her back.
You're welcome. I should be on my way. I just brought her back.
I was going to say sit down so we can look for cola.
No, it's okay. I just brought your wife back. Let me go and finish what I was doing.
Okay, greeting for me.
Thank you. Thank you.
My wife. I'm a charm. Stop crying. You'll soon get used to this place, okay?
You get used to it. She will.
Since I'm not eating since you left, oh. Go and cook my food for me.
Go inside and cook for your husband. Let me go back to the house.
It's okay. Greet your husband for me, eh?
Okay.
Don't worry. Don't worry now. Don't worry, okay? This useless girl. So you run home, eh? To say bad things about me to your parents. Come on, will you get inside there and cook my food for me? You think you have a choice? Eh? Useless girl. What if anything happened to her now? They'll say I use her for ritual.
Hey, God forbid.
Every time Papa, she's running home because their house is close by.
Hey.
I'm more here. Let me look for my food now and not get it.
Hey. Thank God she's safe.
Go and make sure that she's cooking my food. Though.
Okay.
She should wipe those tears and cook my food before I come in now. How can somebody marry a wife and she can't even cook? Every time, wonder who is looking at her useless face. Yeah, Olama. Have you finished doing the things I asked you to do?
Yes, my husband.
Now go in and tidy up the kitchen. My husband will be very happy wherever he is now for this choice I made to restore his posterity. I can imagine what Obiora's son will look like. Chai, handsome, tall and energetic. And I will train him to be a very brave, domineering son who will eventually take over his father's property. I will name him Ilono after my late husband. Chai.
Sorry, ma. I don't know it is yours. When I finish washing, I'll return it immediately. I promise.
You're very stupid.
Today should be the first and dead time you will come anywhere close to my property that I bought with my hard-earned money. Stupid girl.
What is wrong with you? What did he say you? What did he say you?
You poured me water.
She poured you water?
Yeah.
Come. Come, just follow me. Eh? Where is that witch? Who is that mad woman? Eh? Who is it in this house? That did this to my wife? Who? Who has their factory to handle my wife like this?
What is it again, Uma? What is it?
Listen to me, you white devil. Let me tell you. Tell your daughter to come out here now. She had the authority to attack my wife. Eh?
Look, the sun is up here, and the sun is too hot for you to be making so much noise here.
You see your life? By 9 o'clock, you are saying the sun is hot. That is why you are poor and you will remain poor all your life.
Who is that dog barking at my father?
Listen to me. Stay away from my wife. Stay away from my wife. Nkiru, you're looking for, I can see you're growing wings. You are growing wings. Okay, stop crying. Don't worry. Next time, you see how people look for my trouble, and I behave like I don't know what I'm doing. Let this be the last time you will ever dare to touch my wife or do anything that will make her cry. This is the last time. I will not forgive you again. Do you hear me? Respect this girl. Leave her for me.
Arukapa, tell your so-called wife to stay away from any of our property. Next time she comes close to anything that is our property. See, I will cut off her tongue.
This, you lie. You lie. This whole compound belongs to my husband. My husband built it. So if you don't want us to touch your property, then don't you ever touch, you stay away from this. Pack out of this place.
I dare you, Arukakwa. I dare to chase me out of my brother's compound. Then you will know that I'm the job of this kingdom.
You see, he has admitted that this place was built by my husband. Listen to me. If you don't want us to touch any of your property, then get out. Because my husband built this place. You are just tenants. You and your wretched father are tenants here. So if you don't want us to touch, get out of this place. What I'm asking of you is what every other young man out there will thank me for. She's still a young girl, fresh and new, not yet tampered with, original level, tia rubber. You see, I don't know why you're dragging your feet over there. Accept this offer.
I have never tried this with teenagers. It's just immoral.
So jumping up and down every other girl is a pious thing for you, eh? Or do you prefer older women? Do you want me?
No, Daunka. Don't talk like that. All I'm saying is that my conscience will not be at peace to do such to a young girl.
The younger, the fresher. It's not like you have a choice anyway. Or do you have my 85,000 naira you're owing me?
No, not yet.
You see, you have to do my biddings. And to show you how benevolent I am. If she has a child for me, a male child for that matter, I am going to give you one of my husband's plot of land. Yes, the palm fruits plantation at Umekem boundary. Accept this offer. See, the product you are going to get from the palm fruit is capable of standing you forever. It will make you whatever you want to be in life. Accept it. You can't get a better offer. Hope you ought to do this. Are you going to think about it?
It is true that she is a difficult woman, but she is not known for going back on whatever she said she will do. Therefore, if I can do what she wants, I will automatically become a landowner and start up farming, a very lucrative business in this kingdom. But my conscience has refused to accept sleeping with such an innocent, premature virgin. What do I do?
I have decided that it is time for you to get into the main reason I married you into this family, which is to bear me a child.
Nne.
Look at this girl. Don't call me Nne, call me husband.
My husband.
Say my husband.
My husband.
I want children. Some boys for my husband.
Nne, how am I going to give you children?
Don't be a fool. I'm a woman like you. I cannot get you pregnant.
Did you say pregnant, Nne?
Will you shut up your mouth? Do you have a choice? I've made my plans. Your duty is to obey me. Today I'm going to perfect all my plans. Ngwa. Let us go.
Let's go to where?
Can you see him? Is he not handsome? You have not seen his front too. This one is his back. He's very young. See, his muscles are very strong. Just one handle of a young lady and his son is tenable. Eh? Stop crying, just let's go.
Mother.
Well, shut up your mouth. I'm not your mother, I'm your husband. Let's go. I'm on one.
Hey, Aruka. Welcome.
Thank you. You have firewood.
Welcome.
Thank you. You see, I told you, she's a young pigeon.
You're right. She's as fresh as today's bread. My dear, welcome.
Greet him now. Now that I've handed her over to you, both of you should complete the rest now. Eh? Yeah? I have told you I am not your mother. I am your husband. No, you don't want me to leave you here, eh? Let me go and buy the biggest lantern so I can use it and hold it for both of you. Eh? So you can do the needful. Go ahead, do what you're asked to do.
Please don't leave me.
Take her inside now.
Why not have your drink? Why not feel free? I am a nice person. I won't hurt you. And I will be very gentle, eh? Come.
Hi. You. Thank you, Tao. Hey. Hey. Oh. Hey. Hey. Alimo. You're back already. Eh? Welcome. Obiora must be a sharpshooter. Did you enjoy this?
Enjoy what, Nne? Nne, we not do anything, no. I couldn't stand it.
What do you mean by that? You didn't do anything? You couldn't stand it? Eh? Come here! Come back here! I said come back here! Thunder will kill you today. Devil. Look at her. You will meet me here when you come back. And if you go to your father, he will bring you back here. I'm waiting for you to come back. You please. You couldn't stand it. I was even happy that at least. Hi.
Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Mama ke kuambe, mama ke kuambe. Ashikiriki diki pompo, ashikiriki diki pompo. Ayakarakaranga yogo yogo yogo. Asupempelim pelim pelim pepe pepe. Peperim pei, 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 peperim pei. Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Mama ke kuambe, mama ke kuambe.
Why? What have I done to you? Why do you allow him take away my virginity? Why?
Oh, were you a virgin? That's good. Very good. See, we are no longer a virgin now. So you keep getting used to it. All I want from you is just to give me a male child. But if you can give me 2 or more, I won't mind it. Don't worry. I'm going to prepare ofo onugbu and plenty of meat. That's great. Virgin land, untapped. Thank God.
Where are you coming from?
From the bank.
Abaniki JJ Bank. Sister, I'm not joking. Answer me.
Eso, I should answer you. As who now? No, tell me, Mercy. Who are you?
What were you doing in Aruka Kwaska?
If I slap you, Magia can't. You will forget your father's name. Wait, though. Why is it that you're always taking sides with that woman? Someone that antagonizes your father every time. Okay. I can see it clearly now. She has obviously initiated you into that witchcraft.
Sister, you can say whatever thing you like. I don't care. I stand for the just. Leave Aroka alone. Hapa Aroka aka. Leave her alone.
You're stupid though. And I can see your stupidity, it grows on a daily basis. So, in water. Don't go and sleep.
Okay. Okay. This is why no problem.
Oloma. Come on, get up. You are still sleeping.
Good morning.
Who is your name? I've warned you to stop calling me name. Call me your husband.
My husband, good morning.
Good morning to you too. Why are you still sleeping?
I don't know. Just feeling very tired and weak.
So what do you expect me to do? Eh? Are you the first person that slept with a man? You're feeling very weak. Let me warn you. Clean up everywhere before I come back. If you like, as I'm going out now, go back and start sleeping. Don't do what I asked you to do. When I come back, I'll just cut off your ear. You're sleeping by this time, lazy girl. I can't believe this. It's obvious that this is not normal. Who will do this? This car that I pamper so much. The tire was okay before I went to bed yesterday night. Who could have done this? The 4 tires can't just go down at the same time. Somebody's looking for trouble. No problem. Let me track to where I'm going. When I come back, I'll address it. No problem. Mercy. How are you?
I'm fine. Where are you going to?
I have a very important appointment I want to meet up with. I just woke up this morning and discovered that I had a flat tire. So, okay. But I don't want to miss this appointment, so when I come back, I'll attend to it.
But don't you think someone deflated your tires just to get back at you?
Wait a minute. No. Your father cannot do it now. He doesn't have the gut to do such a thing.
It's not my father.
Then, who can that be?
I saw Uncle deflating your tire.
Eh? Wait 1 minute. Are you sure?
Don't you trust me? Have I ever given you any information that is not true? I saw my sister and Kiru deflating your tire.
Really? Okay. No problem. Let me attend to my appointment. When I come back, I will address it. Meanwhile, don't worry. I'll reward you handsomely. You know
I know.
Let me attend to this this
Okay,
appointment and come back. Oh?
Okay, ma. I'll be waiting at home. Oh.
I'm coming.
No.
Thank you.
Okay.
If she runs, shoot her on the leg. Shoot her on the leg.
I'm moving now. We don't have time. We don't have time. Don't touch me. Move. Don't have time.
She thinks it's me.
Don't touch me.
Follow the police.
Don't touch me, oh.
Okay, Mlaga.
Leave me, oh.
He who lasts best.
Why did you arrest my daughter? Huh? What did she do to you?
Why are you just a noisemaker? Eh? If you want to know what your daughter did, go and ask your stupid daughter what she did. And don't come here and be making noise as if you... What can you say about appointment?
Look, whatever she did to you.
See, you see me, Arugapa, I don't deal with people except when they look for my trouble and I come out.
Whatever she did to you, you have no right to arrest her in her father's house. You do hear me?
Which father?
Yes.
Which father? So if they ask fathers to come out now, almost they will come out. Child.
I know my sister has offended you. Please forgive her.
I will never forgive her. I will not forgive her. I will deal with her in such a way that next time when she sees me or hears Arukakwa, she will run for her dear life and hide her face somewhere.
I'm sure she must have learned her lessons and she will never trouble you again. My father has been worried ever since and it's killing him.
Then let him die.
Hey.
Let him die. Didn't my husband die? If he dies, will the world come to an end? Let your father die. Eh? After all, he's the one engineering her to act up.
Hey, Ne, it hasn't gotten to this now because Biko. Oh, okay. Ne, please forgive her for my sake now, Biko. Okwano Mase.
Oh, Mercy.
Biko.
Why did you come to beg me?
Please, now it's me, Biko. I'll kneel down if you want me to kneel down. Biko.
Is it bad if you kneel down for me?
But I'm already kneeling down now. Because
no problem. I will not forgive her. But I'm going to release her because of you.
Hey, Nebo. Thank you so much, Inde. Thank you.
I'm also going to reward you for all the information that you give to me.
You know, I trust you, Mama.
Ma, my own is Anekwe Wane.
Yotago.
So your eyes already money. You small girl like you. Remove your eye. Take this one. You're still a small child.
Thank you very much.
What you need is the money to do.
I'll buy your tangele and some other things, some very important things.
Keep bringing me news now.
Man.
My information minister.
Ma. No, thank you.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine. Where are you going this morning?
I'm going for the Women's meeting. I want to table the Orakwa's case there before the elders.
That is very good. Hey!
Yes.
Papa.
Yes.
Papa, make sure you tell them everything. In fact, if possible, add sugar and salt. Papa, tell them there was a day Arukakwa even poured soup on your face.
Don't you trust me?
I trust you.
Don't you trust me?
Hey!
I'm going to rubbish our image before the elders.
Papa, well done. Hey! Go
So
for
I'll see you when I come back.
Are you sure you're not pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant though.
Will you shut up your mouth? The only thing you came to do in this house is to have children for me. Male children.
I just feel sick, that is all. I'm not pregnant.
No problem. I'll send for the nurse to come and check up on you later. Meanwhile, go and prepare. You're going to the market for me.
Okay.
Mmankem.
No, good morning, ma.
Good morning, Mmankem.
Ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, no.
This one you are here. This one, are you going to drop something for me?
No, as usual.
I overheard Nkiru saying she was going to deal with you.
Deal with me how?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, she was telling Papa. Papa told them.
Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Mama ke kuambe, mama ke kuambe. Ashikiriki, biki pompo, Ashikiriki, biki pompo, Ayakarakaranga, yoko, yoko, yoko. Asperim, perim, perim, perim,
What are you people saying? I have come to attend elders meeting now. Shift. I said shift. Shift now. Who is a woman? Who is the woman here now? When did women start? Then who is the woman? Me. So you still see me as a woman. Anyway, don't worry. Very soon, I'll become a proud father of a bouncing baby boy.
Will you shut up? And who gave you the right to talk when elders are talking?
Shut up your mouth! Who gave you the right to talk when I'm talking? Where are the elders?
Can't you see the elders?
These boys. These boys, you call these boys elders.
Take it easy.
Nonsense.
You see what I was complaining about. But when can you see it now? She is a devil.
I agree with you.
She's a bloodsucker, a witch.
I am a devil. I am a witch and a wizard. But you are a wizard. You are a bloodsucker. You are a devil. You are demonic. Nonsense.
I beg us to let us take it easy. Let us take it.
Tell them to take it easy now.
And when
you brought my matter here. But Oga, this one, he tabled my matter before you, Let us deliberate on it now. I'm gonna say it here. Because me, I'm not living. I'm not living here again. So, from today onward, from today onward, start seeing me as one of you. Let me come and arrange this place so that it will be well organized.
So how come were you arrested?
Is it not that useless Arukakwa? She thinks she has won by arresting me.
Arukakwa arrested you?
Yes, she did. But don't worry. She thinks she has won. I will pay her back. She should just get ready for me.
Why are you always fighting with Arukakwa? Don't you think that is disrespectful?
Obiora, are you saying I am being disrespectful?
No, not exactly. I'm just saying she's like a mother to you. You should give her some respect.
Why do you always come to Arukakwa's defense every time I speak of what she has done to me? Obiora, is there something between both of you?
There is nothing between both of us. There is nothing between. Let's just change the topic. My love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So, that is how that evil woman came and scattered the meeting.
Oh, Papa, why is it that all the king's men are scared of Arukakwa?
Well, I think because, our elder brother had so much influence on us, and we shared all our secrets with him. And he, as a man, also shared our secrets with the wife. So the wife knows everything and takes it to her own advantage.
So now that your plans with them have failed, what do you intend to do?
For now, nothing. I will take it easy. Huh? Yes, I will avoid her, and until I have another plan.
Papa, me, I will not take it easy with Arukakwa. I will not take it easy with her. I will fight that woman. I will fight her. She just get ready for me.
Okay, yes, I'm not saying that you should not fight her, but she's dangerous. So
I'm also dangerous. Me, I'm dangerous, Papa. Me, I'm dangerous. So, but you don't even know how dangerous I am. I'm very dangerous too.
I saw that little girl, Olwoma, the other day. She looks so pale and withdrawn, and I don't know if she's...
She is pregnant. Papa, yes. She is pregnant.
Ha! Why should Arukakwa allow that little girl to be pregnant by now?
What is her own? Please, I don't even care. Let me get your food for you. That one is their business.
Hi. What kind of a man are you, Mazi Akona? Huh? That you don't even care about the welfare of your daughter?
Okansije. Yeah. Zulike. Oluoma, my daughter, is married. Arukakwa, her husband, is a woman. If she cannot take care of her, then there is nothing I can do.
If anything happens to that girl, you will take responsibility. Look, I am in that compound, and I will tell you that the girl is not well taken care of. Yes?
It's not well taken care of.
Bam.
Zulike, Oluoma, my daughter, is pregnant. She is carrying my grandchild. And she will be just fine, just as her mother. Yes.
Well, I'm going, huh? You can throw away my advice, but don't throw me away.
Zulike. Zuike.
Afam.
Zuike.
Afam call.
Zulike just Zuike, Jo. Zuike.
It's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Wait. Sorry. So, hey, let's go inside. Let's go inside. No, let's go. Let's go inside. Biko.
So this is so funny to you, huh? But come, I think you went too far.
Papa, this is her punishment for keeping me in police custody. And I'm even going to do more.
When will this madness stop?
Papa, which madness? Hey, I was born into the madness.
Why are you so stubborn? Huh? Just like your mother.
Papa, leave Mama out of this. I'm very sure wherever she is, she'll be very happy with what I'm doing to that Arukakwa. But Papa, you need to see how she was dancing. There was the time she did her lap like this. She almost opened her mouth.
Come. Go, get out of here.
Papa did for that, yeah.
So they sent you to go and kill me. Go and tell them that it did not work, and it will not work. You see this girl?
I'm not the one that put Agbala on your clothes. I'm innocent. I don't know who did it.
Go read the handwell. If you did not, who did?
I don't know.
Since you don't know, stay there. Open the door. Stay there until you know. This girl.
What if she wasn't the one that did it?
Huh? Don't fall for her pretense. This one. She's the one that washed the clothes, spread it out, and brought it in when it was dry.
I know. But she might still not be the one. This looks like what an adult can do.
Are you suggesting it could be your sister?
I didn't see how. I didn't see her do it. But I suspect this looks like Nkiru's handiwork.
Okay. There's only one way to find out. Bring down your hand. Get up. Get inside.
Thank you.
Come here. Stop calling me Nne. What did I say you should call me?
My husband, thank you.
Go inside. Where is she? Come! Come out here now, Nkiru! Come and face Arukakwa! Come! Come out! Nkiru, I said come out!
No, don't shoot anybody. Please, wait now.
If you don't come out at the count of 3, I'm going to shoot this gun down!
Hey!
Nkiru, come out! 1! Come out! 2!
Please, don't kill Arukakwa.
Where is your daughter?
Please, she traveled. She's not here.
Okay.
Yes, please.
You don't want to bring her out?
No, please, she traveled. She's not
I'm going to bring her out myself.
No, please.
Come out of here!
Please.
Leave me alone!
Please.
Has she gone?
Yes, she's gone. You should count yourself lucky today. If she had set her eyes on you, she would have killed you.
Papa, she cannot kill me. See, it's not as if I'm afraid of her.
So why didn't you come out to fight her?
Papa, you don't expect me to fight empty-handed with someone who has a loaded gun. She even fired 1 shot.
So now you know that you are not a match to her. Uh-huh.
I can match that Arukakwa anytime, any day, anywhere. I just ran to take cover so I can plan and restructure my next move. He who fights and runs lives to fight another day.
There's also a saying that it's only the stubborn fly that follows the dead body into the grave. Well, I sent for the elders to come and plead on your behalf. If not, Arukakwa will not rest until she deals with you.
Papa, that's good though. She can't do anything. She should drop the gun. Woman to woman.
Mama can't go on there. Mama can't go on there. Mama can't go on there.
I greet you, my husband.
Come closer to us now. This one you are sitting far away from us.
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Anyway, we did not come here to start blaming anyone. Nkiru is like a daughter to you. So please forgive her for all she has done to you. Oh?
You have spoken well, my elder. All I want to say is that Arukakwa, you also respect Zuluike here, so that Nkiru will also respect her in return.
I don't even want her respect anymore. All I want, she should not kill my daughter for me. I'm not ready to bury my child yet.
And it has not gotten to that. Please. My dear Arukakwa, you have heard all we've said, and I want to ask, what do you have to say in this case?
You are my husbands now. You have spoken well. I have heard what you said. And like you rightly said, Nkiru is like a daughter to me. I have forgiven her.
Oh, that is very good. In that case, please you call us Nkiru so that she can apologize to her in front of everyone. Okay?
Nkiru. Nkiru. Nkiru.
Papa!
Come here.
Okay. Okay. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You're hurting my hand. Stop it. You're hurting my hand. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I said leave me. Stop it. Ah!
You're just sitting down there sleeping. See, there's no drinking water in this house. So you better go to the stream and get water because me, I'm thirsty. I want to drink water.
Nne.
Who is your name?
Sorry, my husband. Please. I'm very tired because of the work I did this morning. Please, can I have a little food to eat before I can fetch the water?
Okay, you want to eat before you fetch the water, eh?
Yes.
Ah. Come, let me show you where your food is.
Let's go.
Will you come on, rush and get me water? If you like, don't come back early. I'll just kill you and bury you. After all, I own you. Idiot.
She'll be fine. Thank God we lost only the baby. It is a miracle that she is this strong.
Okay.
You know, she was not given medical attention on time.
Okay.
So I will please advise she stop any stressful work for now. Because we might have a relapse again.
Okay. No problem. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll get my room.
Okay. Thank you.
Please take good care of her.
I'll do my best.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am.
You this little witch. Why did you have to eat up the heir to my husband's property? Why? How can you eat up the baby in your womb? Did you not eat it?
Honey, you heard the nurse. She said I lost the baby because of the too much work I'm doing in the house.
Hey. Okay. For saying that, you are very stupid. Who do you want to do the work in this house? Me? Listen to me. If you know what is good for you, go and beg Obiora so he can get you pregnant again immediately. If you know what I did to get him to do this one, you will not mess me up again. Go and beg Obiora to do it. Otherwise, you'll not find it funny with me. It's not all about lying down. He said you are strong. Just get up. If you know what you're supposed to do in this house, do it too. And your work is to give me a male child that will inherit my husband's property. That is why you are here. Not to come and be lying about. You become pregnant. See, prepare yourself to go back to Obiora so he will get you pregnant again.
What you're doing to me is not fair. Why are you treating me like this?
Wait a minute. Life itself is not even fair. So what you came to do is to give me children. Give me a child. Even one you have not been. One. I have just told you that. Get ready. Go back to Obiora. Beg him so that he will get you pregnant again. Do you know what it takes me to bring Obiora to do it? No fear. I think that this Oloma is a witch. But don't worry. I'll show her that I'm a bigger witch than her. Who is she?
So what do you want me to do now?
Simple. Get her pregnant again. And that has to be very soon. Very, very soon.
This thing they are asking me to do is very difficult. You know how hard it was for me the last time?
Don't worry about her. Oloma belongs to me. She has no choice than to obey all of my instructions.
I'm not going to force myself on that girl again. This time, I want to do it my own way.
If you say so. But listen, Obiora, all I need is a male child. A male child. Did you hear me? A male child. And that has to be soon. We don't have time.
I will be needing some money.
What do you need money for again? Huh? See, the money your father is owing me, you people have not paid to. Now you are needing another money. What are you needing money for?
I will be needing some money to get the things I need to make Oloma sleep with me. I've told you, let me just do it my own way.
If you say so. But that has to be very soon. No? How much do you need?
Just 5,000 naira.
What? 5,000 naira? You call 5,000 naira just? Obiora, how much do you have yourself? How much? See your mouth. Just 5,000 naira. Put your hand in your pocket and give me 5,000 naira now. Buenononto.
Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Mama ke kuambe. Mama ke kuambe. Ashikiriki iki pompo.
Take, manage this one. Do it fast, though.
This is 1,000 naira.
Uh-huh. Manage it now. There's no money anywhere and everywhere is blocked. Manage it. Be fast about it. Manage this one. How much did you have before I came? I think I should leave so that let you have your prayers.
If you think you came here for what happened the last time, then you have to kill me first.
No, that is not what I came for. I heard about the miscarriage, so I decided to come see you. See, I even bought something for you.
I'm not interested. Give it to those who need it.
Why are you talking like this? I got it for you.
And I said I don't want it. Let me ask you a question. How do you sleep at night knowing that you raped an innocent girl? You're just a heartless soul. And I never ever want to have anything to do with you. In this life and the next to come. You're a heartless person.
Come here. So how did it go? Why didn't both of you enter the room?
I don't think this is going to work again.
What kind of talk is that?
You should have seen the way she was talking to me. She's no longer the little girl I took advantage of. She did not even collect the gifts I got for her.
So you are not scared of little Oloma? I thought you were supposed to be a man.
This has nothing to do with me being a man. I can't force myself on that small girl again.
And where are you going?
I'm going home, of course.
With my money? You want to go home with my money and you did not do my job. I have told you, if you don't do my job, no pay for you. Look at you. I am going to make life difficult for you in this village. He's even scared of a little girl. Samueleke. Can't even fend for himself. Oh no, you can't even greet me. I'm sure you're running after that man. You're running after him. He won't have time for you, Seth. And you're from okay.
Thank you. you.
What were you discussing with Arukakwa?
Nothing serious.
Arukakwa does not engage herself with anything unserious. Now tell me, what are you telling her?
Uchenna and I did a job for her, so I came to collect the money.
A job? For Arukakwa? Hey! For Arukakwa? Henceforth, I don't want you doing any form of business with her anymore.
Why is that, my love?
Because she is my enemy. My boyfriend and my enemy should not be seen doing business together. If she gives you a job, reject it. Do you understand?
Okay, if that is what you want, I will not take any job from her again.
Good. I was doing something for my father before I saw you. So I'll come to the house and see you later. So you can cultivate on my farm, just like you used to. You can go.
Hi, Arukakwa. But why would she tell you to sexually assault that girl again? That small girl. That woman is wicked, though. Very wicked.
You can say that again. Getting involved with Arukakwa is the greatest mistake of my life. I regret it.
Well, my friend, I'm sorry to say, but I warned you. I warned you, but you did not listen to me. You did not. Eh? Now look at it.
If only I can see how to pay her back the money my late father borrowed from her.
See, let me tell you, the only solution now is for you to put your mind and heart in this pool business. But your problem is that you give up easily.
Uchenna, don't come with this, with your pool talk. I am not interested.
You are not interested. Okay, no problem now. Then sit back here and allow Arukakwa to make you do what you are not willing to do. As for me, I'm off to play today's game. If you like, follow me. If you like, sit here. I'm off. Won't you join me? Or you buy one now? No wahala. I will go.
Uchenna! Hey! You and this your ticket, eh? Please, just do and win this your millions. Let's celebrate, Biko.
NK, baby, don't worry. See, very soon, you see this game, it will enter. And I will give you small thing, just small thing out of it.
Hey, you so how are you?
I'm fine, oh. And you, no need to ask you. You're always looking good.
Eh? Thank you very much.
So, where are you headed to?
I'm going to see Obiora. I promised him that I'll see him this evening.
See, please go and see him. Oh. You need to go and see him before he loses his mind with thinking.
Thinking?
Yes, now.
What is he thinking about?
It's about the money he's owing Arukakwa. The thing is giving him sleepless nights.
Owing Arukakwa?
Huh?
Did you say owing Arukakwa? Huh? But he didn't mention that to me.
You mean he didn't tell you about it?
He didn't tell me anything like that, oh. If he told me, I will tell you now. Please, Uchenna, explain to me. Why is he owing Arukakwa?
I think you should ask him yourself. Maybe he will explain better. I have somewhere important that I'm going to. I will see you later.
Uche, please now, just tell me.
Ask him, eh? Just go and ask him. Go and ask him, he will tell you. Just go.
Obiora, I'm asking you again. What is between you and Arukakwa?
I thought we have gone past this. I already told you that she wants me to do some work for her.
Obiora, stop! Stop! Don't give me that crap. See, Uchenna told me everything.
What did Uchenna tell you?
Stop it! You better start telling me the truth now.
Okay. I am sorry that I did not tell you before now. I was just too scared to do so.
You have not said anything.
My late father borrowed some money from her and he couldn't pay back before he died. I also borrowed some money from her and I have not been able to pay. She's on my neck to give her back the money.
Are you sure?
Yes, my love.
How much is the money?
250,000 naira. And seriously, I wish I have the money to pay her back so that she will stop disturbing me.
250,000 naira, Obiora. See, it's okay, but stop hiding this kind of thing from me now, eh? If this kind of thing happens, you let me know. Don't worry, I'll find a way to raise some money so you can give her back her money.
Thank you very much. So am I forgiven?
What? Leave me. Leave me alone. Leave me, leave me. I was very angry. I was very, very angry. Sister, where are you going to? What sort of foolish question is that?
Sister, you even carry Mama's wrappers.
And how is that your business?
It is my business because she is also my mother.
Okay, in case you have forgotten, when Mama died, you asked that her wrappers be shared equally, and your wish was granted. So, how come my own share is now your business?
Here, sister. Let's not be what I'm thinking, oh.
Okay.
Nonsense. Scrub me, scrub! What are you looking at? You want to see my face? Eh? You want to see my face? Nonsense. People will just give birth to children, they won't train them. Ordinary scrub, that one is big job. Do quick, oh, because Obiora is coming. Is that the way you will now greet me?
How else should I greet you again?
You even have the guts now to answer my question with a question.
Look, I'm not in the mood for your torment. If there is a problem, let me know.
Okay. The only problem here, Obiora, is that you have left your duty unattended to. Get all of us pregnant.
Or what? Or what? If this is about your money, I will pay you back before the week runs out. What is it?
Anyway, here is the money.
What?
Yes, I was able to raise it. So go and give it to her immediately. Take.
Thank you so much. Thank you. But how did you get it?
Obiora, where I got the money is not what we should be talking about right now. I want to go and give it to Arukakwa so you'll be free from her bondage. Please.
You're right. You're right. What will I do without you? Thank you so much.
Oh, this is not the time to shout praises. Go and give it to that woman so you'll be free from her. Oh. Let's go. I'm going to the market. I'll see you later. I have things to do. Come and give it to her, please. Come so that you'll be going immediately.
Hey.
Yeah, you headed with smiles on your face.
Uchenna, I am going to Arukakwa's place to pay her the money I owe her.
Eh? So how were you able to raise the money?
It is Nkiru, my wife material. She made it possible for me.
Yeah, you see, I've always known that that girl is the right one for you.
Uchenna, why are you being two-faced? Are you not the one that keeps telling me that she's from a very bad family?
My brother, don't blame me. Oh. That was the news the street carried. But with the look of things, I think they were all lies.
Anyways, me, I don't care. So where are you going? Why not follow me to Arukakwa's place?
As you can see now, I'm heading to the pool house. I have this short game. This short game, if you see it, too odd.
Uchenna.
It's less risky.
Uche, you and betting. Don't you get tired?
No! Get tired? How can I get tired? I should give up, just like that? No, I can never get tired until I become a millionaire. As a matter of fact, I am using that money I got from the work I did yesterday because I know it will enter.
Are you sure about this game?
Now what for you? See, Obiora, you see this game? Short game. It don't enter finish. You two can play. You can become a millionaire. Let's go. You can multiply this money. Oh. You see this money? You can multiply it.
Anyways, I can go to Arukakwa's place later. Let us go.
Let's go.
so this money,
you will multiply it.
Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe, mama ke kuambe, mama ke kuambe, ashikiriki biki pompo.
Thank you. What will I do? What will I do? What will I do? What will I do? What have I done to myself? How was I so stupid to listen to Uchenna? Now I have lost all the money. How will I pay Arukakwa? How will I tell Nkiru that the money she gave me, I used it to play two odds, that's still caught, he will just kill me. I am finished. Who sent me to gamble? Obiora, who sent you to gamble? Hey.
Obiora, where is my money?
I was bringing it, but...
But what? Eh? I don't want to hear any buts. But what? Just give me the money, or you leave me with no other option than to take over the whole place.
Take it easy, please. Give me more time.
Give you more time? What more time do you want? I have given you all the time in this world. Eh? I have given you options. But you can't even come up with any. Give me my money.
Please. That option, is it still available?
Of course. It is still available. But not for you anymore.
Please. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. Please.
Have you made up your mind?
What better choice do I have?
Okay. Then get Olama pregnant again.
But how will that be possible? The little girl is not an easy nut to crack.
Don't worry about her. I have everything set out. Come to my house tonight by 9 p.m. And everything is already arranged. Tonight by 9 p.m. Did you hear me? Tonight by 9 p.m. Come to my house. Nonsense. I wanted to bring it.
You called me.
Yes. Sit down.
I'm not sure what I'm doing inside.
Leave the kitchen. Just sit down, please. Sit down, okay? See. Take. I'm sorry, very, very sorry for everything I've been doing to you in this family. I'm so sorry. I promise it will never, never, never happen again. Oh?
It's okay, Mama. I'm not angry with you.
That's why I brought this juice for you to drink, so that will show you that I'm very sorry for what I did. Oh?
Thank you, Mama.
You like juice, huh? My drink. Have a drink. Finish it. I will pour another one for you. Oh?
Let me finish this one.
Drink. Yes? Who is there? Hold on. Who's there? Now that you're pregnant again, I wouldn't want what's happened to you the first time to repeat itself. Eh? Whatever you want, you have it. I don't want you to do any work in this house again. Eat and eat everything you want, okay?
Okay, Nne.
Yeah?
Sorry, my husband. I don't think I can finish the food because it's too much.
Just, you must eat it too. You must finish it. So begin to eat it now. Eat now. Start to eat. You must finish it. Eat. Bring that plate. Bring it. Eat.
Nne, can I drink water first? Fine.
What, Guinea? No. From now on, you should not drink anything like water. The only liquid that will pass through this your mouth will be juice. It could be orange juice, apple juice, pineapple juice, any juice you want. You have it. Ask for anything. Even if you want to use it to brush your teeth, you get it. Eat. Eat all of it. So that my son will be strong. Don't be sorry for this. Eat meat. Plenty. I want a strong son. Okay?
Okay.
Eat. And you know beans will give you protein. Eat. Is it delicious? Eat. I will make sure I cook good food for you every day. Eat plenty of beans. So beans is protein. I don't want my son to be short like the father. You know, my husband was a short man. Eat. Eat. This one called plantain. Iron. Eat.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Papa, 100% sure. I can detect when somebody is pregnant.
Huh? Arukakwa is really determined in destroying that little girl. But who is that devil who is responsible for the pregnancy?
How am I supposed to know that? I can't be bothered, Papa. I don't know. In fact, if Arukakwa likes her, let her have 100 children. I can't be bothered. I've even started avoiding that woman like a plague. She's something else, honestly, she's something else.
I'm happy you have started to listen to my advice by avoiding her.
Papa, but avoiding her doesn't mean if she crosses my path, I will not crush her.
Madam Crusher, please go and get my food. I'm hungry. Madam Crusher.
How is it going to kick it? Eat meat. Take the big one. Drink. Drink. Ogo Buchoya.
Ogo mu, ezigbo ogo. Ezigbo ogo. Hey.
Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine, Papa.
You are really taking good care.
Welcome. Of course. Why wouldn't I?
I don't need to ask how are you because I can see you.
You can see she's fine.
I can see you are enjoying yourself very, very well.
How is Mama and everyone?
They are fine, no? They sent their regards. By Ogo. I can't thank you enough.
It's very important to me because this boy she's carrying now is not an ordinary one.
Yes.
So I have to take good care of her so she can give me that.
Strong man. With all these things, the boy will come out very strong.
Well, eat. Ogo. Let me look for chair for you too.
Don't worry. I'm in a hurry.
Immediately.
I know. Once I'm done where I'm going to, I'll return to this place.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's a promise. I'm glad.
I will come back. You see, you get.
Really
enjoy yourself.
Drink. Take this one. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. Let me come out and you'll be fine, okay? It's okay now. Stop shouting.
Oh, see, that's paining me.
It's okay.
Don't do sorry. My face!
Sorry, just don't worry, sit down. Hey, go, sorry. Sorry,
It's okay. Obiora!
What are you doing here by this time?
What kind of question is that? When did you start telling me when to come to your house? Who's the young lady you are making happy this hot afternoon?
There is no woman inside.
Anyway, I came here to inform you that Oloma has killed her child again. So you have to resume work. I'm going, but not on her, because I'm going to get another wife.
I am not resuming any work. I have done my best for you. It's not my fault that she lost the child.
Obiora, when did you start talking to me like that? Is it because of that girl inside there? Eh? Who is she? I want to see her.
There's nobody here. There's nobody here.
Please.
Why do you want to see me?
Hey! Oh, co. So it's you. Hey! I should have known that. So, I should have known that long time ago. Anyway, why are people hiding it now? Why are you hiding?
Hide it? For who? You. Impossible. Bia, Obiora, which work are you receiving for this woman?
No work. Oh. It's just one farmland that she wants me to clear for her.
Asiocha. Lies. Shut up, I will say it. So he did not tell you. Sisi, he did not tell you that he's the one in charge of impregnating my wives. Any wife I marry. Yes! That is his duty. You should have told her now. Anyway, I didn't come here to talk too much. I came to inform you, Obiora, that Obiora, I will get back to you. When I marry my next wife, you resume your duty. Ngwa, this weekend, when you finish, you go. He will start my own. He can do the two. He's a sharpshooter. I know it. Obi, this weekend. Kene kwa munu.
No, mate, no. No, it's not.
My love, no.
It's not like that. Please. It's not true. Hey!
Hey!
My love. Please. Hi. My love, please. I'm sorry. It was a mistake.
You haven't told me what to use the money that I gave you to settle Arukapa for.
It was the Uche now. It's the Uche now. He was the one that made me use it to play pool. With the hopes that we will multiply the money, but I lost it all.
Hey! Obiora, I am disappointed in you to even think that you are the one that made Mama pregnant!
You're
very wicked!
Please. You can call me anywhere you want, but please don't leave me.
I have really left you for good. I can't be with a man who is heartless, foolish, and inhuman. Don't ever come close to me again.
Please, don't do it. Don't do it. Please, don't. I beg you. Please.
Oh! What kind of witches and wizards are these, eh? Somebody will just stay in his house and be giving birth to witches and wizards.
No, you're back. What about Oloma and the baby?
Which Oloma and the baby? That useless girl has done it again. Hey. Eh? She has killed her baby again.
Hey,
eh? And I have told her to go back to wherever she's coming from. I don't want to see her in this compound again.
But where do you want her to go to?
Anywhere! Let her go anywhere! Her parents are still alive now.
I don't think you did the right thing if you ask me. That's not fair now. At least you should
try. At least what? Who are you to tell me what is right and what is wrong? What do you know? Just leave me alone. If you are not satisfied with just giving me information, you can go. Just go, leave me alone.
I'm sorry.
What kind of useless... This child was all... Oh... Child. What kind of devil is this? Eh? What kind of devil is this?
Sister, you alright?
I'm fine.
You're not fine, you're crying.
I'm not crying.
It's okay. It's okay, please, don't cry. It's okay.
Do you know that Obiora is the one responsible for Oloma's pregnancies?
I suspected, but I wasn't so sure.
Why? Why am I so unlucky with men? Why?
Mother, I wish the claws of death take the life out of me. I want to die.
Please don't talk like this, Mom. Please don't talk like this. Listen, I don't want you to sound like this, Ikono. Please.
I wish I could change their hands sometime.
Hi. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. I feel so irresponsible because I cannot help you. Stop crying. Please, my daughter, stop crying. Please, Naba. Go to it.
Yeah? Oloma, what are you doing here? Is this your husband's house? What are you doing here?
My husband, Arukawa, abandoned her at the hospital. It was Ikiru here and the sister that went to the hospital and brought our daughter back.
The Good Samaritan. Does this place look like her husband's house? Why did you bring her here? You should have taken her to Arukawa. Take her to her husband's house, not here. That is her house.
Ikono, have mercy. Ikono, have mercy. Where will she go from here? Especially in this her present condition. Can I mortgage?
You know very well that my hands are tied. She should be in her husband's house. Period. Or be.
My husband, she will not go back there.
Then let her go elsewhere.
Ikono.
Let her go anywhere, not this house.
Hey, you can't do this to your daughter.
Oh, CJ, are you talking to me?
Yeah.
No. Are you talking to me? At your age, what are you still doing in your father's house? Are you not supposed to be in your husband's house? You are there in your father's house, thank you. Your target is to bring her out of her husband's house so that she will remain unmarried just like you.
Then why are you talking to me like this?
Why are you going about prognosing into other people's family? Are you not a witch? If not, I know you have initiated my daughter into that your witchcraft.
Then why are you
talking to me?
Calm down. Don't say this to my sister. Calm down.
I should calm down. Okay, go on.
Listen, Big Playboy, please. You can't talk to her like that. Why would you stand like this? Why would you use these words to her?
I know that you initiated her into the witchcraft kingdom, which made her not to have given birth after 2 attempts. If I come back to this place and I meet any of you here, let me come back. Take her to. I don't want to see you people here. I'm coming.
Why are you not talking to me now? Don't worry. I'll take her. Don't worry.
Hey. Both of you have flouted my orders by bringing that girl into this house.
Papa, she has nowhere else to go.
How does that concern me? Look, I don't want to see that girl in this house, period!
Papa, please allow her pass the night. By tomorrow, we'll look for another place for her.
Papa, we know you. You have good conscience. You're a good man. Your heart is very soft. Okay, we promise tomorrow morning she will be gone.
If I see her after tomorrow morning, both of you will have me to contend with. Yes!
No problem, Papa. Papa, where's the mad? Papa is serious. So let's go. Hey! Oloma! Where is she? Oloma! Mom? Check.
Oloma!
Can you take your whistle? Oloma!
Don't say that. No, don't say that, okay? Don't give up yet. See, my sister and I were very, very sorry for not have helped you all this while. But considering how young you are, we didn't have any other choice but to retrace our steps. Eh?
It's okay, let's go home, okay? It's okay.
I heard all your father said. He doesn't want me in his house.
Don't worry about my father. Don't worry about him. Let's go.
No, I don't want to go. I want to die.
Don't say that now. Let's go. Don't worry, we'll take care of you.
I want to die.
How did Oloma lose that child? I did everything to make her comfortable during that pregnancy, yet the child died. It's obvious she can't give birth to a child of her own. How do I get another person that will accept to give birth to a son for me? Look at me. With all the wealth I got from my late husband, I don't even have a child I can call my own to inherit all of this. Hey, if only I did not give up my child years ago, I won't be referred to as a barren.
This boy, but you wouldn't listen. Just look at yourself. Look at yourself. Hey, why you going? Shall we go to Mama?
Hey, Mama, because you know, hey, Chijoke, you have killed me. Chijoke, you have killed me. Mama, please, I won't do it again, no.
Go and meet it. She's not your responsibility. Go and meet it.
Mama, please now.
Nkem, how are you? Are you crying? What are you doing with your belongings?
My mother chased me out of the house.
Why would she do that now? What did you do?
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? Who's responsible?
You must be a fool for asking me such a question. Are you not the only man that has ever touched me?
I'm sorry, I didn't know I was the only man in your life. But what are you going to do?
I don't know. Maybe we can start by telling your parents.
You must be joking. How do you want them to look at me? I can't do that too.
If you can't do it, then I'll do it.
Then I'll deny you in front of everybody.
Chijoke.
The only option here is to get rid of the baby. Any other option here, count me out.
Chijoke.
Count me out.
Chijoke, wait! Help!
Arukakwa, you can't continue to be crying every day. Huh? Please stop doing this to yourself. Your newborn baby needs you. Huh? Please.
How am I supposed to take care of the baby? I have nowhere to go. Neither do I have any money on me.
I think I have a solution to your problem.
only if you'll be ready to do it.
At this point in my life, I am ready to do anything.
Then come with me. Let's go. Come.
Welcome. Yeah, thank you. Look at you.
Hey.
You now own a car. Nuku, big one. The grace of God. Big car.
If rain fall in this car,
where is the roof? Brother, this is a convertible. This is just the model. Like it's open, you can open and you can close.
Oh, open and close.
Open and close.
Is it here? Come on here. You're a very strong man.
Yes, I am. Always strong, you know.
Let's go inside.
Yes. Please get them to get the things from the boat.
Bread from
no, that's not enough.
Everything.
Come inside. Come. Come on, bring the things in car.
I'm sorry, my love. It was the devil's handwork. I never wanted to do it. It was Arukakwa that persuaded me to do it.
She persuaded you to do it. And you did it. Obiora, are you a baby?
I know I was wrong. Please forgive me. Please forgive me and let us go back to the way we used to be.
Just leave me. I don't want to see you. I don't want to see you.
I can't leave you, please. Please. Ikiru, please, my love, please. Please. I love you. I love you, please. Please, please, I love you. Please forgive me, please.
I'll keep jacking you.
I can't leave you. I love you and I know you love me too. Remember all the good times that we shared and love. Remember you promised me that you will never leave me. You're everything I have now, please. Please. Forgive me. I am sorry, my love. It was Arukakwa that made me do it. Please. I beg you, please. I beg you, please.
It's okay.
Please.
It's okay. It's okay. I've forgiven you. Thank you. But you know this is my father's house. So we have to be careful. Let's go to your house instead. Okay? So we can have some privacy with each other.
Thank you.
Let me change my clothes. This clothes is too tight for me. I can't wear it. Okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Just wait for me. Let me go and change. Obiora! Come back! You would have stayed! Let me cut off that your long tail using servicing cassava. Idiot! Stupid man!
Please,
Good afternoon, ma.
My dear, Please, I am looking for one midwife. She's a very popular woman. The last I saw her was around here, but I can't place exactly her house again.
Oh, that should be Mama Nuku.
Is that what you call her?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, I want to see her. Do you know where she lives?
Yes, ma'am. Her house, her new place, you know, she no longer stays around here. But her children built a new house for her across the express.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank God.
Her place is not far. If you drive straight,
okay,
take your right.
Okay.
Then, if you drive down, you see an untarred road.
Okay.
By the left. Follow the road. Ask anybody.
I take right.
Yes, ma'am.
And I take left.
Thank
Thank you very much. And if I ask around, they will tell me.
They will tell you. Mama
okay.
Yes,
thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Why are you here?
My daughter, you will not understand. My whole world is coming to an end. My life is just turning around. Yeah? I am confused. That's why I have to come to look for Manugu. She's the only one that can help me.
Mama Nuku is dead.
Huh? Hey. Hey. No. No. Ha. I'm finished.
But she told me about you.
She did? Ha. That woman is a nice woman. Thank God. Please help me. Please. I'm looking for my son. I want to know his whereabouts, whether he's still alive. Please help me.
Your son was adopted by Mazioken.
Mazioken. Please, can you help me find them?
The same Mazioken from your village. His son's name is Obiora.
Mazioken! Obiora! Hey! Obiora is my son. Obiora is my son. Hi! Obiora is my son. Obiora is my son. Hi! Ewo, I go back and bada walofia o. Obiora bunkem, my son.
I am finished. Look at my life. At my age, nothing to show for it. The only woman that loves me unconditionally has turned her back on me. I don't even have a family of my own. Will God ever forgive me for what I did to Oloma? I don't deserve to be alive. Let me just go. Let me just go and rest.
Brother, how could you? In this modern age and time, you sold your daughter, 13-year-old daughter, and she got pregnant twice. Brother, you should be jailed for life.
Sold? How? But let me ask you, what would you have me do? What would I have done when Arukapa was threatening to take the only property left, this house? What would I have done? And make tell me, what would I have done?
And selling your daughter was the best option?
Also, we're not selling. How? How did I sell her? Eh? Payment of bride price or sell? Bianna, do you know that everything I did was for your own interest? You traveled abroad. You forgot us. Tell me, did you contact us? Did we reach you in any way? Major, what that is going on? Major, what that is going on? Do you know what I went through? Do you know what I suffered? What I'm getting in return is I sold my own daughter. How can I sell my daughter?
What you went through. Do you know what I went through? I'm asking you, do you know what
I'll call St. Paul, can I call?
Brother, listen to me. I was caught at the airport for drugs.
Oh. If you go drug, you are now pushing drugs. Have you seen it?
Wait. Can you just listen to me? Can't you just listen? Listen up. Just listen to me. It's a mistaken identity. I was mistaken for someone else. I was charged to court and jailed.
Huh?
Yes. You know, I spent over 1 year in a waiting trial. Eventually, I got my freedom, and I was so ashamed to return back to the village. How to start life over in Lagos. It's just recently things just started getting better, and I returned to you people because this is the only family I have. I still remember how you insisted that we should share the money into two. The one we borrow from Ilo. You have not stopped being greedy.
Oh, I'm greedy, but I gave you money. Now you spend that. Yeah. Do you know that this boy did not travel abroad? No, very brave. And make us so you did not travel abroad. Ah! Oh, can see that.
Auntie, please, do you know where I can find your daughter?
Yes, I know where she is. I will take you there immediately.
My son, Obi. Obi.
Which son?
My son Obiora. Where is he? Where is he now?
When did Obiora become your son?
Stop asking me stupid questions. Where is my son? Obiora.
I've been knocking, boy. He hasn't opened the door.
Obiora.
Obi. You want to break?
Obi!
Obiora!
Hey! Jesus! Obiora!
Obiora! Bring him! Bring him! Is this still alive?
Obiora!
Eh?
Hey!
Please!
Obiora!
Help me! Oh. Let's take him! Take him to my car!
Hey!
Thank God I came with my car! Take him to my car fast!
I really want to thank you all for taking good care of my niece here. May the God Almighty reward your kindness.
I think all the thanks should go to my two daughters, who persuaded me to accept her, despite my initial refusal.
Thank you.
My daughters, thank you so much. Huh?
Thank you.
My niece here will be going with me to Lagos to continue her education.
Ah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Henceforth, I'm in charge of her from now. But for those that caused her pains, I will make sure they pay for their crime.
Bam. Bam.
As I'm living here right now, I'm going to make an entry. They will be arrested. Most especially that woman and that rapist. Oh.
I think we should let them be. God in his own time will punish them.
Will you close your mouth there?
Papa, I said God will punish them.
Emeka, do what you want to do. Huh? Do exactly what you want to do, especially that woman, Arukakwa. Huh? Make sure she spends the rest of her lifetime in jail.
Hey.
Yes.
I will see to that. That woman must be arrested.
Yes.
God, please heal my son for me. I know I am not worthy to stand before you and ask for anything. But please bring him back to me. He's all I have. I promise I will turn a new leaf if you give me this last chance. Obiora, hey, how was I so close to you, yet I did not realize you were mine, my own flesh and blood. Please don't die. God, please help my son. Please. Ma. Ma.
I'm not supposed to be doing this, but my conscience is judging me because of how close we are.
Ma, I know I have been a terrible person. I don't know how to get all the people I have offended to forgive me.
I doubt if your wish will ever be granted. As we speak, Oloma's uncle that just traveled is back. And he's going straight to the police station to report you and Obiora. I don't care what he does with Obiora, but my concern is you. Nne, please, if you love your life, pick up your things and leave this house before the police catches you. Biko, I've cleared my conscience. I need to go. My father.
Hey, God. What will I do? Hey. No, my son, no. I can't let you suffer for what I lured you into. No.
Why you choose to give up? Eh? You just choose to give up.
My son, I went to the hospital and they said you have been discharged. How come?
The doctor said the poison he took did not have too much effect on his vital organ. So he was asked to go home and report for daily treatment.
Hi! God, I thank you. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Thank you for answering my prayer and restoring my son's health. Huh?
Why do you keep calling me your son? Please, stop it. I can never be a son to a wicked woman like you.
My son, you are justified to say anything you like to me. But it still doesn't take away the fact that I'm your biological mother. I bore you in my womb for 9 months.
What?
That is not possible. I knew my parents before they died.
Don't worry. I hope I'll be able to explain this to you. That is, if I ever have the chance. See, I want you to leave this village right now. Oloma's uncle reported us to the police. Yes, so they may be here any time from now. Please leave. In here you have the sum of 10 million naira. It will be enough to set you up anywhere you go. But we must leave this place immediately. I want you to leave this village immediately.
If you think you can bribe me into leaving this village for you, then you must be joking.
No, my son, I am not.
I said you should stop calling me your son!
Obiora, calm down. You have to calm down. She doesn't look like she's lying. You have to listen to her. If she's lying, I'm still in this village. I will find out and tell you. Just calm down.
Please, my son, listen to your friend. Please. You don't have the time in the whole world, please. Just go now, please.
Okay. Madam, move!
Madam, let's go. Wait. Madam, let's go.
Wait. I beat you to it. Even if I'm arrested, I feel fulfilled. Obiora is my son. So, Obiora is the heir apparent to my husband's property.
Madam, let's go. Do not waste our time. Let's go to the police station.
Take her away!
Take this direction.
Madam, I said move!
Will you stop shouting?
Let's go, let's go.
You will suffer in jail. Idiot, wicked woman.
Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, sambe ambe ambe, mama ke kuambe. Mama ke kuambe, mama ke kuambe. Ashikiriki, diki pompo. Ashikiriki, diki pompo. Ayakarakaranga yo.